She's trying to get her waist trainer on. It's my little sister. She trying to get her waist. She trying to get. You see me out here, you know. I got my waist trainer on.
Give me your phone.
I got my waist trainer on
Give
too.
me your phone.
We out here.
Give me your phone.
Yeah.
Give me your phone.
See,
please.
There's white people out here and shit. Fort Mac, it's the channel. You know.
Oh man, that shit's tight as hell.
I'm getting dope sick. I can hear them Perkies calling.
Fucking Perkies calling.
I can hear them Perkies calling. I'm about to give me a little sweat in. But I hear the Perkies calling.
You gonna be falling out here, okay?
Hmm?
You don't wanna go missing now.
Huh? What you say?
I said what I said.
I don't want to go. Oh, that's why I got this. I won't go missing.
So you did here. You do here.
Yeah.
You do here.
Yeah. I ain't out here naked. Think I'm out here naked? You know what I'm saying? I ain't out here naked. I hear the Perkies calling up. I heard the Perkies calling. Why I keep saying that? I'm fucking it up. I can go and edit this shit and fucking delete it. You know what? Fuck it. Keep the camera rolling. Let the world know. What the fuck you do on these little niggas go? I let it go so hard. I ain't Chief Keef, but I be chiefing like God. Yeah. Roll up a motherfucker Fanta, fuck a backwood. I'm going down to Miami. South Beach on the boat, titties jumping.
I ain't giving niggas no pass. I ain't giving niggas none. I ain't giving niggas one. Used to carry bottles to the stove, praying nobody see me. How these bitches disappeared. They up there with Houdini. Now one of my trucks a Bentley, the other a Lamborghini. Driving to that same stove, praying somebody see me. They asked if my fans abandoned me, would that kill me? My own family abandoned me, so you tell me. Got a big family, but that's a cold family.
What's up, man?
Got a new family, still on my old family. I know how I feel and I had no family. I wish I could bring back my dead and gone family. Run that bag up, now my whole mag. Metal on me, don't have me around no man. Hey, big bag in this bitch, now where the hoes at, that's fucking. I got everything, so when I hit the mall, I don't see nothing. We don't fight that nigga mama house.
Put your shit on you.
Put it on me?
Yes.
Got a big family, but that's a cold family. New family, but I still love my old family. I know how I feel and I had no family. I wish I could bring back my dead and gone family. Run that bag up, now I'm a homemade.
Is there a recording?
Don't have me around no man.
Is it recording?
Run that bag up, now I'm a homemade. Let them love me, don't have me around no man. Who the fuck these niggas talking to? That's why you can't let these niggas get you caught. They treat you like a worker, show them the bucket. Act like they ain't scared of you, don't know what to do.
Alright.
I rather you be loyal because you scared of me. Not loyal because you love me. You can love me and still me. My uncle sold my house. I left a birdie there. Same night they had to take his ass to urgent care. Used to carry bottles to the stove, hoping nobody see me. How these bitches disappeared. They up there with Houdini. Now one of my trucks a Bentley, the other a Lamborghini. Driving to that same stove, praying somebody see me. Got a big family, but that's a cold family.
Cold family.
Still on my old family.
Hey.
I know how I feel and I had no family. I wish I could bring back my dead and gone family. Bring that bag up, now I'm a homemade. Metal on me, don't have me around no mag. Hey, bring that bag up, now I'm a homemade. Metal on me, don't have me around no mag.
I can't even do it. I gotta have my Adderall.
Got to the middle of the desert, y'all.
Nah,